Hello and welcome to my automated IT helper expert system presentation. We've all been here before. Your computer is driving you crazy. You need to get your work done and it just does not want to cooperate. We may know something about computers, but there are hundreds of other things that could be causing the problems. So how do you fix your computer? You try typing "my computer is slow" into Google, only to realize how fruitless of an endeavor that is. There's so much to read and you don't understand all the terms. And you don't want to call tech support because they treat you like you have no idea what you're talking about. And they usually want to solve the symptom and not the actual problem. Finally, you know that these problems will come up again and you would rather learn how to solve the problem yourself instead of getting it solved by someone else every time. The intended users of the system would be two groups. First, externalized IT services that need to service more people, and small IT issues take up a lot of their time. Second, the system would also be used by businesses that want to reduce their internal IT size and professionally develop all their staff to be more computer savvy. Automating IT has many use cases. For this project, I decided just to focus on troubleshooting slow computers. I developed my rules through my experience of the last few years troubleshooting computers. There have typically been a number of common culprits that are responsible for the decreased speed. The toughest technical issue was to figure out when to stop the program. I wanted the details that the user inputted to guide the troubleshooting, but in most cases all the solutions provided are healthy computer habits to learn. I decided to solve the problem by only giving an end outcome when the computer needed to restart. As well, options were given for the user to continue the troubleshooter anyways in case it wanted to see the rest. Hi, this is my quick run through of the system. I won't be able to show you all the options, but a lot of them. First things first, it asks you to update. So yes, our Windows is up to date. If we hit no, it just tells us to do that before we can continue. Next, it collects information about our computer. I've got some defaults, so we'll move forward. Next, to load Task Manager and be monitoring those numbers. We'll need them later. Now, when is your computer typically slow? We're going to say all the time. Next, check how many antiviruses you have installed. So if we go 4, it'll give us a warning that we have to fix that. So we're just going to go 1 for now. Okay, run your antivirus. Next, what has Task Manager been showing you? So let's give it the max for every choice. Here, disk failure. If it is unhealthy, then we have to, looks like our hard drive is damaged and has to replace it. If it's healthy, we can move on. Disk drive, more than 90% full. Yep. This will give us a tool here that will allow us to figure out what is on our hard drive and taking up all the space. Also some instructions for defragmenting. Now if that all worked, we can say yes, and then that finishes off our system. If not, we can keep going. Startup issues, we can look at everything that is booting and we can turn some of those off to speed us up. Again, yes, that was a problem, but we'll keep going. How's the antivirus scan going at this point? Did it pick up anything or not? Let's say no, it hasn't picked up anything. And then finally, what kind of programs do you usually run in a slow computer? We're going to say high-end gaming, and then this gives us recommendations at the end of this of different things that we should be upgrading in our computer. That's just a quick run through. Hope you enjoyed it. In conclusion, my system will need significantly more details added to it before it can become disruptive. I see it as a precursor that filters out easy solutions and sends information to the tech support if a solution is not found. As well, I see it as a patient and helpful teaching tool for people that use computers often and independently. That is my presentation. Thank you for listening.